Dear students, topic for this section is cache maintenance for push-based information dissemination. So, traditional CS information system, that is client-server system, uses the pool-based communication scheme. In pool-based communication scheme, client have to send the request to the server, and server then give the information. So such pool based techniques are not suitable for architecture based wireless networks because they require the substantial upstream communication. It requires the bandwidth for sending the request from the client to the server. So to make use of downstream communication capacity, push based information system architecture have been developed where the data are pushed from servers to the client. So in the push based strategy, the data is pushed from the server to the client. So the idea is that server periodically broadcast frequently accessed data, that is called as the hot data, and the mobile node can tune into the broadcast channel at the start of the broadcast because he or she know that when the data will come. Okay, because this broadcasting channel will give the index information that will give the information about that data. So such push based architecture present a new challenge for cache management. Traditionally, cache are used to store the most frequently used data, but in the push based environment, the cost of obtaining the data also should be considered. So first, if the data is present in the cache, that is called as the cache hit, and if the data is not found in the cache, then that is called as the cache miss. So it is necessary to consider that cost also. For example, there are two items X and Y. Okay, so X is less frequently accessed than Y. So Y is the most frequently accessed data, but if we store the X into cache memory, then it is necessary that we have to replace this X with the Y. Okay, so that is also considered in the cache maintenance schemes. Therefore the new cache management algorithms have been developed for push based information system that take into account the cost of cache miss. Cache means what? Means the information is not found in the cache. In a traditional cache system, all the cache miss are assumed to the same cost, but that is not the case in the push based information. An important metric to evaluate this cache management algorithm is hit ratio. So what is hit ratio? Hit ratio means the fraction of total data request satisfied for that cache. This metric depends not only on the cache management algorithm but also on the cache size and the particular request pattern. And this hit ratio is not only the metric for this cache management, but there is also another metric that is called as the PIX. So what is PIX? Suppose that access probability of the data item is P and the broadcast frequency is X, then the PIX value of the data item D is P by X. So for that X and Y example, the algorithm replaces item X with a Y because Y has the higher PIX value. So this is the cache maintenance for push based information dissemination. Thank you so much.